and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And today's video, it's all about preparation for Christmas, and I'm going to clean my living area and also my kitchen. But for my kitchen, I'm going to do it off camera, and also I'll be going to the market. And guys, I'm having assistance from my firstborn daughter, and she's so happy to be on my channel, and she'll be cleaning our TV stand. To vacuum my carpet, I'm using this brush that I bought a long time ago from Kamkuji, and it works very perfectly. I'm now writing a list of things that I'm going to buy in the market, and I prefer having the list because it maintains the budget and also avoid buying things that I'm already having in.
I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home.
It's around 7 a.m. so let's go.
Makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. At me. Don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave with me. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun. Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
Guys, for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends and family. Okay, bye, and let's meet in